Connect an étrier and attach the cow's tail to your first anchor point. Then take the cow's tail that's attached to your hand jammer, connecting it to the second anchor point above you. You now have 2 points of contact to the structure, so you can take off your backup device on the original ropes. Take the backup device off this cow's tail, attach étrier, and then connect it to the second anchor point. Stand up in étriers and remove a sender from working line and reattach it to last cow's tail you just connected to second anchor point. Remove the leading cow's tail with the étrier connected and move it to the next free anchor point. Remove the trailing cow's tail with the étrier connected and move it to the same anchor point of the cow's tail that your ascender is connected to. Unfasten the carabiner from the cow's tail your ascender is attached to and, using both étriers, stand up and transfer from the carabiner to your leading anchor point. You can then repeat the previous process to move carefully along the structure, always having 2 points of contact. When far enough along, attach 3 strops to the structure. Connect one of the cow's tails, which has an étrier attached to your left strop, and the other with an étrier attached to your right strop. Put your foot in both étriers and stand up to disconnect cow's tail with ascender attached from structure, and attach to carabiner in middle strop. Move leading strop in direction you want to move, then stand using étriers, taking your weight off the middle strop to move in same direction. Next, move the trailing strop the same way. To get past obstruction, remove leading strop and reattach on other side. Using étriers, stand up, disconnect carabiner from middle strop and reattach onto carabiner on leading strop. Now disconnect your middle strop and reattach it so that it becomes your leading strop. You can now disconnect your trailing strop and reattach it past the obstacle and continue with moving across the structure as normal. To come off the aid, climb and descend down to floor. Attach a strop to the working line on set of ropes, pulling through all slack. Using étriers, stand up and disconnect ascender from cow's tail so that your weight is on the stop. Disconnect cow's tail from middle strop. Attach backup device to cow's tail and attach it to the backup line on the ropes.